Hey guys, just a quick check-in from me, Celeste. I'm having my retreat this weekend in the Midlands. Very excited for that. And as I was going through my prep and notes and just considering a few things, it came to me these principles, the principles that I always set up for engagement with a group or with an individual. So here's the thing, if we're any encounter that we have, any engagement we have with somebody or a group, we invest our energy, we invest our time, sometimes money. So for that encounter, every encounter is also an opportunity for you to to make a difference, to make a change. But to make it worthwhile for you to really make the most of that engagement, I like to sort of bring in three sort of principles. And maybe these resonate with you, maybe it's something that you can use. Like I say, I find it helpful in any engagement, in any interaction to bear in mind. And the three principles for me is really, first of all, to be present. That probably comes as no surprise, but so often we beat ourselves up. And it's not only about physically being present, it's also about, as you know, being mentally present, being energetically present. But I actually take it a step further. I just sometimes ask the question, just am I present? And sometimes just that question, just that check-in brings you into the space where you are with that person. Because the mind goes and, you can beat yourself up about it and all of that, but just sometimes just that reminder, that tip maybe to ask yourself, hey, am I being present here? Can bring you into that moment where you really physically and energetically engaged. So that's the first principle that I apply. And the next one is, and it's no particular order, is always look at your physiology. I work very much with the body, strong believer in your body, what it tells and what the stories it tells. And if we look at our physiology, and that is more than body language, that is also like, is there a free energy flow? Am I actually engaged in a way that my body is relaxed but alert? There's so many things around embodiment that can be 5 videos in itself. But it's really just checking in, like, how am I physically holding myself? Am I in a state of relaxed openness? Am I in a state of flow, let the energy flow? Am I open enough, but without being perhaps too drifting off? So the physiology is also always quite important to really just check in. And then the last thing is to be curious, to just have that sense of, hey, what is in this moment? So I posted something yesterday and I said on Facebook, a very powerful mantra can be, I don't know yet. And sometimes we have all these preconceived ideas of what an engagement is like and, what's the next step. And if you just open yourself, if you just say to yourself, hey, wow, what is this moment about? Or just be curious, not even about where it's going to lead to, just about that moment, maybe just about that person, maybe just about their viewpoints, maybe just about your interaction, just about maybe your response. Just be curious. When you start opening up yourself to curiosity, there are so many things that can open up for you. And it's not only what you receive, it's obviously what you give as well. So that loop opens up when you allow yourself to just be curious. So I just thought to share these 3 principles, or I don't like to call them rules, but really just helpful reminders for me in any interaction, even your close ones, in fact, perhaps especially the ones closest to you. So have a fun day today. It's Wednesday, and I'll chat to you soon. Speak soon. Bye for now.